Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a professional Facebook event cover using Canva. Canva makes it easy to customize Facebook event cover templates with your own videos, photos and text. Let me show you how to do it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open Canva on your device. Next, go to social media. Then select Facebook. Now tap Facebook event cover. Canva will display many templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the video editor will appear automatically. Now tap on the default video or photo inside the template, then tap Replace. Choose the video or image you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original media with your selected content. Next, tap on the text if you want to customize it. Then tap Edit. Now type the text you want to use for your Facebook event cover. You can also adjust the font, size and position if needed. Once everything looks good, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to download or share your Facebook event cover. And that's how to create a Facebook event cover in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.